Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create product price list tracker. So let's say you have some small shop where you maintain the list of products to be sold. You want to create a catalog like price list tracker. You can use Airtable for this. So for that we can start from scratch, right? And we can add existing spreadsheets or Google Sheet or even CSV data, right? So let's cut the default and remove some of those columns, right? And here say you have column with number there, and we set for auto number, right? And if we go to say product number, and if we choose text here or number field, so if you want to use number field and choose integer, create the field. Next I will be choosing the product name, right, and use single line text. Then we choose say price per unit, right, and we choose number for this, and it should be decimal up to, let's say, 2 places or maybe 3, right? So let's go with 2, standard one. Then we have bulk per unit, right? So if you have shop, you often get things in bulk. Just to maintain that data, we add one more entry, finally description of that product, right? So let's see product number 001, right? And then product name, say room freshener, right? And we choose the price per unit, say 19.99, and if we take it in bulk it will be 12.99. room freshener, of X brand, right? Similarly we can add one more product. We can add say kitchen scrub, price is 9.99. then if we get it in bulk 4.99, we can add scrubber of Y company, right? Now we can add one more product, see something like soap, and we can add 4.99. if we get it in bulk 1.99, and soap of XYZ. So we got our product price list tracker. So let's check here, right? And if we check, it will look something like this. Now if we go to views and form, here we can see product price list tracker. Choose the edit option for personal, and we have our form. So if we open it in another tab, it should look something like this. So we have like 004, then product name, something simple like tissue, right? It is 9.99, bulk 3.99, tissue paper of Y brand, right? And here you see it will be added to your view like this, right? So let's go to that grid view to see the entry, and for the entry, as you can see, tissue paper, its price both per unit and bulk, right? Then tissue paper has description. So as you can see, this is our product price list tracker designed in Airtable. You can add different extensions, formulas, make it more complicated as per your use case, and try it in Airtable.